Alright, so obviously there wasn't too much flying yesterday, and I think it turned out to be a pretty good decision when you saw what happened in the afternoon. And very late yesterday afternoon, I saw a couple of paragliders and hang gliders having a bit of a fly around. Did you fly?
No.
A bit of a glide around. Okay, so it was a bit difficult on launch yesterday to come up with times, and because we were trying to watch what the weather was doing, when that sort of thing happens, you just need to be flexible and hanging around the area ready to hear of any briefing times or whatever.
In the Northern Alps today we have a föhn, the phony flow, Chinook flow, and therefore we have good weathers, almost sunny. In the afternoon we must expect showers and thunderstorms, and the problem is a föhn flow that's drawing up over the day massive, and that's very dangerous. Say do it. It's possible that we say over the day some guys fly here at Tegelberg. Yes, but that's a small bubble, and it's not the safe situations over the Northern Alps. We must fly cross country and over many valleys and many situations, and we must stay safe.
But if we're having just a task in this valley, or you think it's not going to be able to take off even because it'll be south?
We should explain what föhn is, what this whole thing is. And normally you say don't fly in föhn conditions.
At all.
It's don't fly at all. It's very turbulent and you get strong gusts in the valley within a very short time. And föhn comes from wet air in Italy. Then the wind goes against the Alps. The air mass climbs, gets colder, or the rain falls out there, so the air mass gets more energy, and then it goes over the hill, then falling down, getting warmer and warmer and stronger as it falls down. So it's a very regional situation. And these dry winds, which come from wet air mass in northern Italy, these dry winds now are very, very strong and very turbulent. It's good for gliders because they can go very high in the mountain waves, 6,000, 7,000 meters, sailplanes, yeah. But it's not good for us.
Ich habe da auch die Grafik unter den Tegelberg-Bildern. Tegelberg-Bildern, da ist eine Föhn-Grafik drin. Falls da.
Nice show.
Hier die. That's the Föhn schema, and from the southern Alps, the wind goes up the the Alpine Divide, and drops in the northern Alps down and decrease in speed, massively, and creates this swinging air flow with the sailplanes used to climb up, and we have the problem created rotors and very strong gas. The föhn breaking in the valleys very quickly. That's
no.
It's a question of would we take 70 pilots up, and the answer is no.
And what you see here, it's just the actual cloud image. You see the rain clouds here in northern Italy, and then we have a dry area where we are. So this is a clear indication of föhn, and I would not recommend to go on there.
The föhn, if the föhning air drops on the southern Alps, it goes down and go warming, and this warming löst auf, decrease the clouds. That's the föhn effect.
The weather may look nice outside here, really.
It's a great day for cycling.
I think in all questions, if föhn tendency, we should not fly.
Up there by 10:30 and get them set up. So I'm just joking. All right. What? Okay. No, look, we're not going up. It's just too tricky. The difference today to yesterday is that the fern is predicted for this afternoon. It's, you know, it's going to turn south up there, which you can't launch anyway. You might get a few people in the air, and then, like Daphne said, you know, the fern comes in and there could be all sorts of problems. It's just too borderline. You don't fly in fern, basically, here. Ollie, the safety director, his advice is also not to go up. We have the local advice not to go up, so we'd be pretty stupid to go up. Okay? If it turns out there's no fern and we lose a day, that's the way it is. Everybody's still safe and they get to fly another day. So we would also advise probably...
Same for class 2?
Class 2, what do you want to do, Dita?
Not flying.
No. Okay, so, and we would probably also advise not free flying because, once again, you don't know, you can't see in the air really if it's when it's coming. So, Benno, that Benno, our events organiser, might have something planned for us today that we could do as a group or whoever would like to.
Well, we have a few choices. You know, you got your event cards. The other side, well, I'm without the event card. You can take the Bob run if you like, cheap, but not cheap, for free. Include, all include. You can go 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 times, no problem if you like to. That's one choice. The other one is we have a real nice bath here, wellness part by sauna, massage. We get special prizes when you got your this card. This side have your card with you. It's 10 minutes by foot from here. That's the second choice.
And it's an outside pool, and
yes.
It's very saturated salt water, so you float on the water and you have the view of the castle and of Tegelberg.
Real nice. Take a look in here, on here. So you find it very easy. It's a really big one. That's the second choice. The third, we can visit the castle, Neuschwanstein. It's real interesting. You must see them, that castle. We can get groups, go there. It's just 15 minutes by foot this way. And the fourth choice is we can rent bicycles for cheap price. Cheap price are €6 per day. It's right here in this Schwangau village near to us. Well, we can build groups if you want to, and go to castle or visit the therm or rent bicycles.